I was in the pool.
You were in the pool?
Yeah.
Why?
I had to question the mermaids. What were you doing while I was working?
Whoa, just take it easy, man.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
My late mother just rose from the dead, and surprise, surprise, she's the devil.
You don't know for sure that she's a thief.
I know for sure she's a liar. She ran out on my father, Trudy. She left me, her own daughter.
Did you ask her why?
Me? Those days are long behind me. I don't think I've held a balloon since I was a child.
Then you've forgotten what it's like
To hold a balloon?
to be a child.